Welcome to episode 2, where we bring you the freshest remote entry-level job opportunities so you get the inside scoop and can apply before anyone else. Looking for a remote job that pays well and doesn't require experience? Google is hiring remote data labelers, and this could be your easiest job application yet. But not everyone gets accepted. Stay till the end to learn how to apply and 3 insider tips to boost your chances. Welcome to Remote Hustle Europe. This is episode 2 of our new weekly series, Recent Remote Jobs. Let's dive in. The role is called Data Labeler, also known as Data Annotator, and it's for Google AI projects. This is a fully remote job, meaning you can work from anywhere, with no phone calls, no customer service, and no sales. Your main job? Help Google train its AI. You'll be labeling and tagging data, like identifying objects in images, classifying the mood or sentiment in text, or transcribing short audio clips. The data you work on helps improve products like Google Search, Google Translate, and even self-driving car systems. All of this happens online, through trusted platforms like Appen and Lionbridge, which are Google's official vendors for this type of work. And here's the good part, it's completely flexible. You can choose to work part-time or full-time depending on your availability. Pay typically ranges from $10 to $15 per hour, depending on the task and your location. And yes, even if you've never done this before, they provide basic training before you start real projects. Qualifications? Very beginner-friendly. You don't need a degree, and you don't need past experience. You just need a computer or laptop, a stable internet connection, good attention to detail, and the ability to follow instructions carefully. That's it. So where do you actually apply? Google doesn't post these roles directly. Instead, they hire through third-party platforms, mainly Appen and Lionbridge. To apply: 1. Go to appen.com or lionbridge.com. 2. Create a free account. 3. Complete your profile and skill tests. 4. Check their dashboard regularly for data labeler openings. And don't worry if there's nothing right now, new projects are added all the time. Keep checking. Now let's go through the application steps. Step 1. Sign up on Appen or Lionbridge. Step 2. Fill in your profile completely. They want to know what tasks fit you. Step 3. Take and pass the qualification tests. These are simple online assessments to make sure you can follow guidelines, tag data correctly, and work with precision. Passing these tests is what gets you in. Now, how do you stand out? Here are 3 insider tips to boost your chances. 1. Be precise. Always double-check your work for accuracy. 2. Stick to the rules. Follow every guideline exactly as given. 3. Show up consistently. Whether it's 5 or 20 hours per week, reliability matters. These platforms track your performance, and doing well can open the door to longer-term projects, even promotions within the platform. This role is open to applicants globally, including the UK, Europe, Africa, and many other regions. And if you like this kind of work, check out other platforms like Teamwork.ai or iSoftStone, which offer similar AI-related remote jobs. We'll cover those in future episodes. Before you go, remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Remote Hustle Europe for weekly walkthroughs of the latest remote jobs that actually hire beginners. New videos drop every week. See you in episode 3.